Warning, do not open with knife. Oops.
Attention. Okay.
That's all you got was a piece of paper?
I thought it would be a bit more in the 3 dimension.
You realize Valve has made more items of hardware than they have made an actual game in the past 10 years or so?
Is that correct?
They did... Well, Half-Life Alyx was made by a separate studio.
No, they're in-house.
They're in-house now? They weren't in-house before? Were they?
I'm pretty sure.
The Steam consoles, the controllers,
actually, all the
VR headset.
All the Steam machines are third-party devices. The Steam, the original.
Okay, well, how many games have they had come out since they started doing the Steam machines and all the controllers and all the other stuff?
I think the original. Actually, I keep forgetting about all the Dota games.
That's just updates, isn't it? Oh no, the Artifact, the card game.
No official games, and what's
Dota doesn't count.
The technically individual games.
What did your system plug?
Phone.
That phone? It's on the desk? Okay.
Yes, 2 release everyone cares about was Portal 2. That's what you're gonna play on is Portal 2. That's the box.
You need to tidy up the cables down here.
So I guess this is your proof that it's not been tampered with. Right, this just slides out.
That's security. Like maybe if it had a hard plastic.
Whatever.
It's the same security that Valve has to stop the bots from TF2. That's why we don't have anybody, spinning around, playing music, saying "nice shot, mate," and headshotting you the moment you pick your head back around the corner.
No.
It's fun.
Oh, here's your security tag.
Ah, there we go. So far now we know that this has more security than the TF2 games. You want some scissors?
Nah, I'm pretty sure I won't jab myself.
Is that for the power adapter?
Probably. Oh yeah, it's a hiding in now, I guess.
Now we'll take this out to the cutoff saw so we can see what's inside.
It's like a mix between a car and a computer.
Car and a computer? I don't think that's something anybody else has done in their opening reviews. What does it smell like?
Yeah, it smells like a car.
What does it taste like?
It doesn't have a Bitcoin on it.
No bitterant?
I keep Chatos from choking on this.
They might stick it in their mouths and not be able to breathe. Okay, now the drop test. Pick it up and slam it on the ground.
Now, most people have carpet and hardwood floors. We got solid concrete.
We could drop it on the aluminum right here. That's softer.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
That's the USB, isn't it?
It's Type C.
Oh, you can just use that with it.
Oh, it's on.
The D is for dick.
Is that a D?
Yes, seen deck. You don't think that's a D?
No.
It's facing the same way as a D.
I just thought it was like a water balloon in a bowl.
A bowl would be turned this way.
So it sounds artistic or something.
Wipe off your lick marks. Yeah, that does smell like a car. Maybe it's the upholstery.
True.
That is
I
soft.
hope this isn't a screen issue. It's very faint.
Are you looking at?
Yeah, you can see on the camera.
Ah. That little spot right there.
I'm just waiting for the contrast to change.
Yeah, it's like you wait. How long has it been? A year and a half?
Not that young.
Wow, 3 whole years? I mean, you've been waiting for this for 5 years. I mean, you definitely deserve to make sure you have a quality product after 7 years.
Going away.
What?
It's there.
Oh no.
It's faint.
A
but
decade later and you get this and it's bad?
Oh dear.
15 years walking through the snow and... Is it smudge or is it on the screen?
It's right there.
Try pressing real hard with it. I'm joking. Maybe...
It's something up. Nice.
You need to connect it to
It wants
update.
me to log in.
$20 in the making, you get one with a messed up screen. I mean, you've been waiting for this your whole life.
The very minute imperfection.
Mom ordered this before you were born.
It's the only reason I was conceived.
Our grandparents came to this country for this. Wait, no, they were already in the country. How far back, generation-wise, does it go? It's a great-great-great-grandfather? I'm not sure.
Now, should I really bitch about this?
Yes. And then send us a second one, complimentary. And then I'll have one. Hey, we opened it up on video, so we have evidence. I mean, it just took us 30 hours to open it. My observance of time might be off. Okay, is that enough of it? It's a 10-minute long video.
Go ahead and pause and stop it.